Na tabagi chang hantharaba singa pau phaonanaba sign language ase Meepum Khudingmakna Khangjinbagi Tangai Phadaba Lei HAINA Manipur LEINGAK Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. SAPAM RANJAN PHONGDORAKLI Wafam asing ase National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness National Health Mission amade Director of Health Services Manipur Silaga Hotel Classic Grande na pangthokpa International Week of the Deaf People 2024 gi thoramda mahakna phongdokibani Sign up for Sign Language Rights Haiba theme gi makhada pangthokpa thoram aduda Minister SAPAM RANJAN hai Chahi asigi April 12 dagi ngasi fawba state asida na tabagi chang hantharaba mi gi masing asi chawrakna lising 3,500 lei haina record ta fangliba ase makha tana check tawrakini hairiba masing asidagi hena leiramasu yai Health Department Hakshal gi lam yauna Meepum Khudingmakki hakchang fana thamnaba thorang kaya leptana paikhatlaga lakli hakchang fana thamnaba gi tamak miyamda awareness piba haibasi department asigi oinadi tawda yadraba thawdang apane masigi saruk amo oina ngasigi thoram asiju pangtokpani chahi asigi International Week of the Deaf People ki piriba theme Sign up for Sign Language Rights haibasi yamna maru oiba amadi haujiki matamda chunaba amani haina logdaba gumte haujiki Meepum Khudingmak Sign Language khangba haibasi Tangai Phadaba amo oirakle Sign Language ase ningthina khangnabadi interpreter ama leitrabasu yare masagi chahi humfugi mathakta leiraba miyoi singi tabagi chang hantharakpa maramna Sign Language khangjinba ase yamna maru oirakle amadi haijinba yamna tangai phade Handak haukiba numit kharani asida dengue gi case hangalakliba ase lengangna angamba thak tokonaduna laksinaba honari haina Minister SAPAM RANJAN makachara phongdokhe thauram aduda Health and Family Welfare ge Special Secretary Pungyo Warsing Health Services Manipur ki Director Dr. Musara Hanbi Social Welfare ki Director Ngangom Uttam NHM Manipur ge State Mission Director Dr. M. Tines Amade RIMS ki Department of Otorhinolaryngology ge Professor amasung Head Dr. T.S. Sudiranjan su thauram aduda sawyakhe
9.9% of the population of India hearing loss suffered away, out of which 51.2 is 60 years above. 60 years above the hearing loss. So almost 60 years ki the hearing loss ki ani habaki kuda mamara bil hojiksi asai having loud music tharaga to adu khatala na koi Manipur se the Indian gari yema thauba kan ta mamang da thauba ya da ba kai mani jo pra Khangjinbagi habit se akhoi gi sigis da lei mamang da su gai thau ya da ba adu maning da su khangni ne ko gai thau ya da phone Khangjinbagi habit se sigi habit se some states kada thaga ding ai ne no honking horn season da ba state lei so sigumba Can say that citizens should also prove to be a boon for our people.